Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Word 2021, Chapter 1 Practice Project, Simnet. So, if you want to complete Simnet project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So, I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Word 2021 Chapter 1 Practice Project Simnets and assignment title is Word 2021's Chapter 1 Practice Projects and Guided Project 1 to 2, and we move to the main project steps. So total step is total step is 19, and we move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the online learning one document, start a file. If the document open is protected, you click enable editing button so you can modify. So go to the Word files. I have already click enable editing buttons. And next is question number 2 is the file will be renamed automatically, included your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So I have changed the file name, and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is change the line and paragraph spacing of the entire documents and press Ctrl A to select the all entire documents. So Ctrl A and select the all documents, and next is click the paragraph launcher home or layout tabs paragraph group or to open paragraph dialog box, and click the line spacing drop down list and select the multiples and type 1.2 in the add text box and change the after paragraph spacing to 12 points and click OK to close the paragraph dialog box. So press Ctrl and select the entire documents and click the paragraph and launcher to open the paragraph dialog box. So go to the home tabs, go to the paragraph groups and open the paragraph dialog box, and next is click the line spacing drop down list and select the multiples. So select the line spacing and click the multiple and line spacing and drop down list and select the multiples. So select the line spacing multiple, and next is type the 1.2 at the text box. So at 1.2, so type the 1.2, and next is change the after paragraph spacing 12 point. So change the after paragraph spacing 12 point, change the paragraph spacing after paragraph spacing 12 points. So after paragraph spacing 12 point, and next is click OK to close the paragraph dialog box and click OK. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is delete the blank line in the documents and turn on show and hide home test paragraph group and delete the extra blank lines between the each paragraph, including the blank line after the title. So turn on the show and hide button. So turn on the show and hide button, and next is delete the extra blank line between each paragraph, including the blank line after the titles. So delete the blank line. So delete the blank line. So question number 4 is complete and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is change the font of the entire documents and select the entire document control A and change the font to Cambodia home tabs in the font group. So select the entire documents control A. So select the all text and next is change the font to Cambodia home tab and font groups is font to Cambodia. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and change the font is to Cambodia. So change the font is to Cambodia. Click OK. So question number 5 is complete and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is change the paragraph spacing, alignment, font size, style, effect and color of the title and select the title of the documents. So change the paragraph spacing, alignment, font size, styles, effect and color of the title and select the title of the document online learning information. So select the title online learning information and next is click the layout tab and change the before spacing to 36 point and the after spacing to 18 point paragraph and click the center button home tab paragraph group and click the font launcher. The font dialog box open. So click the layout tabs. So go to the layout tab and next is change the before spacing 36 and after spacing 18 point. So before spacing, so click the paragraph and next is change the before spacing is 36. So before spacing is 36 and after spacing 18 point and after spacing 18 point and next is click the center button home tab paragraph group. So click the center buttons. So click the centers and next is click the font launchers. The font dialog box opens. Font dialog box and click OK. And next is go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and open the font dialog box. Launchers the font dialog box open and next is change the font style to bold and change the font size to 24. So change the font style to bold. So font style to bold and change the font size to 24. So change the font size to 24 and next is click the small caps checkbox in the effect area. So click the small caps checkbox, click the small caps and next is click the font color drop down list and choose the fourth color in the first row of the theme color blue gray text 2. So click the font color arrow in the font color arrow. Font color drop down list and choose the fourth color first row. First row in the fourth color. First row in the fourth color blue gray text 2. So blue gray text 2 and next is click the advanced tabs. So next is click the advanced tab and click the spacing drop down list and select the expanded. So click the spacing drop down list and click the spacing spacing drop down list, spacing and list, and select the expanded. So select the expanded in the spacing, and next is change by to 1.2. Change the by to 1.2. Change by the 1.2, and next is 1.2, and click OK and close the font dialog box. So click OK and close the font dialog box. Click OK. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is move the paragraph in the document and insert the heading, and select the last paragraph in the document including the paragraph marks at the end of the paragraph, and click the cut buttons in the control X and place your insertion point before the second line of the documents, and click the top half of the paste buttons and press Ctrl V. Click the beginning of the pasted it and type the where are we know with the online learning and press enter, and select the paragraph begin the online courses including the paragraph marks at the end of the paragraph, and move the paragraph using the drag and drop methods so it appears before the paragraph that began with the hybrid courses. So select the last paragraph of the document including the paragraph mark at the end of the paragraph. So go to the last paragraph. So select the last paragraph including the paragraph mark at the end of the paragraph, and click the cut buttons or press Ctrl X. So go to the home tabs and go to the clipboard groups, click the cut, and next is place your insertion point before the second line of the document definition of online learning modalities. So online learning definition of the online learning modalities, and click the top of the half of the paste buttons or press Ctrl V and click the paste, and next is click at the beginning of the pasted paragraph and type where are we now with online learning and press enter. So uh, copy the title and click the beginning of the paragraph and type where are we know with the online learning. So copy the title and go to the top the paragraph and paste the titles, and next is press enter and press enter. So select the paragraph begin online courses including the paragraph marks end of the paragraph. So select the paragraph, and next is move this paragraph using the drag and drop methods so it's appear before the paragraph beginning with the hybrid course. So move the paragraph in the hybrid course paragraph. So move and drag the hybrid paragraph course, and next is format the section heading documents and use the format pattern and select the first section header where we are now with the online learning. So select the paragraph where are we now with the online learning, and click the font launcher to open the font dialog box and click the font tabs. So open the font dialog box. So go to the home tabs, go to the font groups, click open the font dialog box, and next is font dialog box and change the font size to 12. So change the font size to 12, and next is change the font color of the fourth color in the first row of the theme colors blue gray text 2. So change the font color of the fourth color in the first row of the theme colors. So click the font colors in the first row of the fourth colors in the theme blue gray text 2, blue gray text 2. And next is change the underline style to double underlines. So change the underline to style to double line. And next is change the underline color to fourth color in the first row of the theme color blue gray text 2. So underline color is blue gray text 2, click OK. And next is click OK to close the font dialog box. So click OK. So next is confirm the formatted heading, the still selected it, and click the text effect and typography buttons. So confirm the heading and still the selected it, and text effect and typography buttons on the home tabs, and text group, text effect and typography, text effect and typography buttons, and place your point to the shadow and select the first option in the outer category, offset bottom in the right, right, and confirm the formatted heading still selected. Click the format pointer buttons and select the next heading, definitions, online learning modalities. So place your point in the shadow and select the first option, so typography, and click the shadow, and the shadow in the first option outer category is the outer offset bottom right. So offset outer and offset bottom right, click OK. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete Simnet project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam in Word 2021 Chapter 1 Practice Projects in Guided Project 1 to 2.